Hello everybody and welcome to Mentor Plus. In this video, I will update you about NEET and other common entrance examination like NEET PG date confirmation. And it's not my input. The input came from Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, and you can find on the website piv.government.in. A press release got released on 23rd of July today by PIB Delhi. Before we jump into the video and get into the deeper details, if you haven't subscribed our channel, you must subscribe it because we are going to post only NEET UG related videos here. And if you like the content, hit the like button. Coming about the post, so let me tell the summary of this notification. Candidates have been demanding still that after the examination date is published, which is going to be on 12th of September, still they were demanding to postpone it until October. I don't know the reason, exact reason, but you can't make all the students with the same mindset that they want examination on particular time. So the government had to release one notification that the exam won't be suspended and won't be postponed. The Union government does not have any plan to suspend the NEET and other common entrance examination. The NEET PG and NEET UG examinations are scheduled to be held on 11th of September and 12th of September. So government decided upon conducting the NEET UG examination on 12th and NEET PG on 11th of September, and there is no change in the date because there is no COVID now and there is no any compulsion for government to postpone the exam date further. Rather, government wants to conduct the exam and the counseling process as soon as possible because it already been delayed by several months. As we see, PG examination is already delayed by 8 months. NEET MDS, the counseling process almost delayed by 1 year. The result got published last year itself. Still, they are waiting for the counseling process. So the entire medical lobby is suffering with this COVID and their examination getting delayed. So the government is in no mood to suffer further. So they made it very clear that Union government is not going to suspend the examination for NEET, UG and PG. So be very clear, you have to fix that date and accordingly you do the preparation. You plan your preparation and discuss among your colleagues, your friends, and wherever you have taken the test series from or where you are doing the coaching, you get all complete guideline and how you need to plan your day for the preparation because you have to prepare well in order to get good result. The cutoff will be impacted because the student got more time for preparation, so definitely the preparation level will be better than it used to when the exam got conducted on time. Okay, so you have to prepare well, better than earlier. Some other guidelines they have published or protocols you can say related to maintaining COVID appropriate behavior, additional protective measures for the candidates and examination professionals. So the number of examination centers has been increased across the country to avoid crowding and long travel by candidates. Admit card being issued to the candidate will wear as a COVID e-pass for facilitating easy movement of the candidates. The admit card was already published for NEET PG, but now it will be republished and the notification will be given to you accordingly. All candidates will be checked at, so these are the all the protective measures in order to avoid any kind of infection by the examination authority. Okay, and this notification came from Union Minister of Health and Family Welfare, Dr. Bharti Praveen Pawar. Okay, so in a written reply in the Lok Sabha. Okay, so that's update from our side. We will keep on posting all the updates related to NEET UG, and you don't have to worry anything which is important you will get as a notification from Mentor Plus. So you focus on your studies, you focus on how you get the best result. I will try to create one video how you can plan your studies so you score better, and how you can get best out of your result preparation. So until next video is all the best from our side, and thanks for watching.